How's it going, everybody? I've gotten a few requests on how to play Hazel Eyes by Boywithuke, and I guess you guys are really liking these Boywithuke tutorials, so here's another one. We're going to start with the different chords. I'm going to put them right here on a little chart, but it's the same 4 chords just like most of his other songs, and it kind of plays on a loop, and then it gets to different strumming patterns, which we'll do after we figure out what the chords are. But the first chord is a C major 7, which is just the bottom string on the 2nd fret. It sounds like this. Then the next chord is a B minor 7, which is literally just all of these on the 2nd fret, which sounds like this. And then the next chord is a G, which is your ring finger. Actually, we'll start from the bottom and go up. Your middle finger is on the bottom string, 2nd fret. Then your ring finger is on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. And your pointer finger is on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. And that sounds like this. We've learned that from the other songs. G. So C7, C major 7, B minor 7, G, and then the last chord is a B, which is a bar chord, but it's super easy on the ukulele. It's just like the B minor 7. You cover these 4, and then you put your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. I mean the 2nd string, 2nd fret, sorry. And then you put your ring finger on the 1st string, 4th fret. And it sounds like this. So in all, it's C major 7, B minor 7, G, and then B. And those are the chords for this song. Okay, so there's 2 strumming patterns for this song. The first one is the one that we've done in pretty much all the other songs, which is the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's what he does for the first couple verses until he gets to the chorus. So the first verses are going to be C major 7, and it's the down, down, up, down, up. Then the B minor 7, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up. And then B, down, down, up, down, up. And what he does is on those ones, he plays it twice, and then on the last one he stops, and then does it 2 more times again. So we'll do that so you guys can see what that sounds like. Then he stops, and he goes through it again. C minor, major 7, B minor 7, G, B, C major 7, B minor 7, G, B, and then it goes to all the other verses, and every verse is like that. You do it twice, pause on the last one, do it again, and then once you get to the chorus, it is just a normal beat where it's just like hit, strum, mute, and that's when he gets to the chorus when he's like, I see your lovely eyes. It's when he does that, it's just so it's 2 times on each chord. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of doing this with my fingers, almost like I'm holding a pick. You could do it like this, however you guys strum better, but it's just down, and I mute with the side of my hand on the strings like this. And you can even hit your uke if you want to add a beat to it, but it's literally just strum, mute, 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 strum. Now we're gonna kind of put everything together and see if we can't get this song down, all right? So remember the first ones is down, down, up, down, up, and then you pause after doing it twice, and then once you get to the chorus, it's the down, mute, but it's always C major 7, B minor 7, G, and then B. That one's gonna be a little tricky, and sometimes you do the wrong ones in the wrong order. That's why you practice. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't do this up to the first chorus. I have the lyrics here, just I'll probably mess up, but you know, we're all learning together. See, I did G instead of B minor 7.
Can't get you out my gaze and can't feel my legs when you're around. I feel so lost, I feel so found. You're poison to my thoughts, but you look amazing in your gown. I'm feeling great, I'm feeling down. Wishing I could see how you could end up in my arms. I know that you're not perfect for me, but you caught my heart. I'll sail the seas, sing my ABCs, and a war to win you over. I swear you have me right from the start. Let's build a fort out of pillows while we look at the stars. I'll bring a portable chargeable dance in the dark. I'm insane for it, thinking for a time so far. It makes me feel so tired, it makes me rhyme so hard. Then to the chorus. I see your lovely eyes, they're hazel color, cloudy like the sky. My oh my, I think I might die. I see through tired eyes, your love makes me feel baffled. I'm your guy, but I don't mind, no.
And they just go right into this, and that's to the next verses. And it's the same thing, you play it twice, and then stop. Back into it. And that's how you play Hazel Eyes by Boywithuke. I'm hoping to try and get these more organized and split them up on the bottom based on what we're going over, and then hopefully it helps you guys to learn these songs.